Hakuna Matata breakfast frittata. This recipe is going to cost about $7.50 to make. And you're going to get 17 grams of protein per serving out of this. It's going to make 6 total servings. To start off, you'll need one medium-sized mixing bowl, an 11-inch skillet, and 2 measuring cups, a 1 cup and a 1/4 cup. Here's a list of ingredients. Note, you'll need 6 eggs, and 6 egg whites is what I'm using, and just an array of various items to throw in this dish as well. This is a great dish to use for leftovers in the fridge. Let's start off with some green onions. I like to use somewhere between a 1/4 cup and a 1/2 cup of green onions. Next, I'll use some spinach. Get about a cup of spinach in there. Then I'll use 1 white onion. Use about a 1/4 of it. Now grab the 1 medium-sized bowl. We'll crack our 6 eggs into it. Give it the old whiskey business. Here are the liquid egg whites I'll be adding. I get these from Sam's Club. I'll be adding in about 6 egg whites. This is some 80/20 lean pork that I bought from Kroger. And then I'll be using about 4 ounces of it, 2 ounces of deer, and 2 ounces of lean beef. So as that meat starts to cook through, I'll be throwing in my vegetables to give it some added flavor and help those get sauteed in. Quick side note, one of my favorite things to do is watch the spinach just slowly seep into the dish. Feel free to add some salt and pepper for flavor. Now it's time to add in our egg and egg white mixture. So as that egg mixture is about to start to stick to the side of the pan, we're going to go ahead and just slowly move it off like we were making scrambled eggs to test it. Now we put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. Pull it out and let it stand for about a minute, and then just flip it right out of the pan. I like to add some freshly grated cheese to the top. Feel free to use any cheese you like. Let's go ahead and cut this open and see what we got. You might want to use a spatula instead of a knife to move it. This has been cooked perfectly all the way through. This will make 6 servings and makes a great meal on the go. So to recap, you got 17 grams of protein out of this, about 1 carb. Per serving, that's going to cost $1.27. But who can really put a price on a well-balanced breakfast? Oh yeah, we just did. The Hakuna Matata breakfast frittata will keep you feeling like the king of the jungle and give you the protein you need to tackle your day.